Hello. Today we shall explain one of the most important inventions in the 19th century, which is the steam engine. And as the name shows, the steam engine actually depends on the power of the steam. So the steam comes from boiling water, and the basic main concern for the steam engine that it make use of the steam pressure that goes through the valve, okay, and is used to move what's named and what's known as a piston. So, due to the pressure of the steam, this piston would actually move in a vertical way, and it would actually, in the mechanics, changing this vertical way into a circular way. So the main and the core concept about the steam engine that it actually depends on the steam when it coming with a high pressure and inside a cylinder where the pressure goes up and then goes down, so this piston would go in a vertical way forward and backward, which would then translated by gears into a circular motion, and this was the main and the core idea that helped in the invention of the steam engine trains. Okay, so let's jump directly to this example showing the use of the steam engine in the trains and explaining the concept of this steam engine. So in the train, they got a carload of coal which is used to be burned inside what's known as a firebox. And burning the coal, okay, it generates a huge amount of heat that is used to boil this water through these cylinders going inside this water tank to make it with a high heat and then producing the steam. And the steam is going through a pipe with a valve, okay, because sometimes if the steam is too much pressure they need to get rid of some of this pressure, so there is what's known as a valve, and the steam is going along this pipe to is being controlled by a valve. This valve is going to access this hot steam inside the cylinder of the piston that we previously discussed, causing that this area would have a high pressure, and let's mark up in a red color, and the other area is going to be with a low pressure. So this difference in pressure would actually force this piston to go like a forward, and when the valve change his attitude, this one would be with high pressure and this one would be with a low pressure, so it would go back. So it go forward and it goes backward, and this actually would cause these wheels to move in a circular motion. So this is the main core and the main concept of the steam locomotive. That's it. It's very easy, and you can watch this video as much as you support us, and leave us a subscribe and like this video please.